Common SEO Migration Mistakes, an in-depth guide. Welcome to today's video where we'll dive into the crucial aspects of website migration and how to maintain your SEO throughout the process. In just 2 minutes, we'll guide you through the do's and don'ts, ensuring a seamless transition for your online presence. Let's get started. Formulate a plan. First, before you begin the migration, formulate a clear plan tailored to your website's needs and goals. Just like packing for a vacation, a strategic plan prevents disorganization and potential data loss. Remember, a thorough website audit is your health check before a digital marathon. Evaluate your content, SEO, architecture, and performance. This step prevents migrating existing issues, like broken links or slow load times, that hurt user experience and SEO efforts. Technical and on-page SEO. Next, don't overlook technical and on-page SEO. It's like building a strong foundation for a house. Incorporate SEO from the start to avoid common mistakes like duplicate content, unoptimized images, and poor URL structures. A comprehensive SEO checklist is your guide. Execution mistakes. Now, during execution, remember to set up 301 redirect maps. These guides prevent page not found errors and signal search engines that your site has dead ends. Gradual page migration prevents overwhelming systems, and testing before launch ensures everything works as intended. Post-migration failures. After migration, don't skip the post-launch audit. This checks for indexing, on-page SEO, site speed, and mobile optimization. And monitor traffic and rankings closely. Fluctuations are normal, but consistent downward trends need investigation. In conclusion, successful SEO migration requires diligence, foresight, and meticulous execution. By avoiding these pitfalls and following our tips, you'll ensure a smooth transition, boost your online presence, and enhance your digital marketing performance. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.